Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a dance workout basically. So this lady MadFit on YouTube, she's on Instagram too. She did a similar video like this with Old Town Road. Her name is MadFit, and yeah, she's popular in Canada. So yeah, you guys should go check it out. It's great. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing something similar to that, okay? And it's fun, it's exhausting, it's a fat burning workout. So if you're looking to burn some calories, just follow along and do this. Or you can do it after I'm done, okay? Just at your free time. Anyways, let's just get started, okay? Alright, DJ, give me the song. Yeah, bro, I got you. I've been in your waters. Come on, man, seriously. Get it, let's go. Oh, my bad, bro. 1 second.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna change this shit myself. Let's go.
When you say you feel low and good things are hard to see. When you pray to find love, I know somewhere we could be. There's a place where we can go tonight. The rhythm will make it right. Where everyone is happy and the sun will shine all night. Have a good time, let everybody sing. Why don't you let yourself slip out of control? We can have a good time, let everybody sing. And get your feet up on the floor. So when the world feels dark and friends seem hard to find, you know how to light a spark, just to let your words
Oh my gosh. Whew. That was exhausting. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we close this video, I just want to give a huge shout out to one of my Instagram followers. You see her name pop up somewhere, her Insta handle, by the way. So follow her on Instagram, and yeah, she's funny and great, and she's really uh, a talent. Yeah, so check her YouTube too. You'll see it on her Instagram page. Yeah, so if you want a huge shout out like this in one of my videos, all you have to do is engage with me on social media, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or uh, YouTube. So all you gotta do is comment, like, whatsoever you want to see, or what you enjoyed in the video, or just anything basically, right? So you gotta like engage, you feel me? Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. You get a shout out once in a while from me. Um, Okay, so that ends this video, and yeah, tell me what you like in this video, and if you want to keep saying something like this, but damn, that's it's crazy. Yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, share. That would really help me a lot. Okay, please like, subscribe, and share, and turn on your post notification too. Uh, okay, that's it for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Let's just get started, okay? Now, DJ, hit it. Ah. Now, DJ, hit it. Bro! Oh, jeez.
Get your feet up on the floor.
Jeez, what's this slow?